Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss chapter 12 of ML Agarwal, which is symmetry. So what is symmetry? You already know about this, what is symmetry, as you have read this in your previous class also. So symmetry, let's see these two pictures. This is Taj Mahal. So if I draw a line here, just in the center of it, now you can see everything is same on both the side. You have one pillar, both the sides. This one is also both the side. So if I draw imaginary line or actual line in any figure, and that line divides it into two equal parts, then the figure or the object will be in symmetry, like this. So similarly, I can draw a line here also, and here also this structure is divided in two equal parts. Fine. So that's why they are in symmetry. Both of them are in symmetry. So what is symmetrical? Any shape is said to be in symmetry if it can be divided into equal parts by drawing a line. फाइन. सो दैट मीन्स अगर हम एक लाइन को ड्रॉ करते हैं और वो लाइन उस शेप को, उस फिगर को, उस ऑब्जेक्ट को टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर देती है, तो उसका मतलब है वो जो फिगर है वो सिमेट्रिकल है, सिमेट्री है वहां पर. फाइन. सो जैसे यू कैन सी हियर, और जो ये लाइन है, line that you draw that divides it into equal parts, that is known as line of symmetry. What we call it? Line of symmetry. ऐसी लाइन जो उस ऑब्जेक्ट को, उस फिगर को टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करती है. फाइन. सो लाइक यू कैन सी इन दिस एरो, this one is the line of symmetry. Here in this kite also, this is the line of symmetry. As you can see, these two parts are equal and these two parts are equal. Here also, this is line of symmetry and this is also the line of symmetry. And similarly, if I draw a line like this also, even now they are similar. So there can be one line of symmetry, and for the same figure there can be many lines of symmetry. It depends on the kind of figure we are dealing with. Like if you see this butterfly, if I draw a line in the center of it, these two parts are equal, completely same. Fine. So we have so many natural example. Our nature also make everything in symmetry, in a balanced way. You just see the butterfly, you just see the birds. Fine. They are also symmetrical. Their both wings are symmetrical. Our face is also, even our whole body, our two arms, legs, everything is symmetrical. Fine. So if you see the leaf of any tree, that is also the example of symmetry. Both the parts remains equal. Fine. So God in nature also has made many things, or most of the things, symmetrical, so that there will be a balance between everything. Fine. So this is your symmetry. Fine. So I hope now you are clear what is symmetry. Here also you can see, if a figure is divided into two coincident or mirror images, coincident parts या mirror images, same equal figures, then it is called as symmetrical. And जो line होती है, the line is known as line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. Mirror line भी हम इसको बोल सकते हैं. Fine. Now let's discuss few shapes. We will see whether they are symmetrical or not. Fine. A line segment. कोई भी एक line है. If you divide it into two equal parts, here this part and this part, both the parts are equal. So that is, it is symmetrical. Fine. And in case of line segment, there is only one line of symmetry. एक ही line of symmetry होती है in case of line segment. If we talk about the angle, this is the angle. We can divide it into two equal parts. उसको bisect करके हम कर सकते हैं. So ये जो bisecting line है, this is the line of symmetry. This is the line of symmetry for it. अब triangle के केस में we have three cases. तीन तरह की triangle हमारे पास होती है. One is scalene, जिसकी तीनों side different होती हैं. देन आइसोस्केलस जिसकी दो साइड सेम होती हैं, इक्विलेटरल ऑल साइड्स आर सिमिलर. फाइन. सो इन केस ऑफ स्केलेन ट्रायंगल नो लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री इज देयर. कोई भी ऐसी लाइन नहीं है. इफ यू सी हियर ये दोनों पार्ट इक्वल नहीं है. फाइन. इफ a draw line is like this, even then there are no two parts which are similar. So in case of scalene triangle there is zero line of symmetry. In case of isosceles triangle, that means only two sides are equal. So in this we can divide it into two equal parts like this. These two equal sides will be on both the sides. Fine. So there is only one line of symmetry for isosceles triangle, while in case of equilateral triangle there are three lines of symmetry. Three kaise? One is this one is second one, and this is the third one. So there are three lines which can divide the equilateral triangle into equal parts. So it is having three lines of symmetry. Similarly, let's see few other shapes also. One is parallelogram. In case of parallelogram also there is no line of symmetry. अब इसमें क्वेश्चन इसी तरीके से आते हैं. They'll give you a shape and you'll have to draw the lines of symmetry and tell how many lines of symmetry will be there. So parallelogram के केस में कोई भी line of symmetry नहीं होती, zero line of symmetry. Then we have isosceles trapezium. Isosceles जिसकी दो साइड सेम होती है, like ये दोनों सेम है. Fine. So isosceles trapezium has one line of symmetry. इसकी कितनी होती है? One line of symmetry like this. This is the line of symmetry. Fine. You can just join the midpoint. इसमें ये दोनों साइड और ये दोनों साइड इक्वल होती है और all the opposite sides are equal. That's why it's isosceles and it has only one line of symmetry. Then rectangle. Rectangle के केस में हमारे पास two lines of symmetry होती है. एक vertical line from the center, एक horizontal line from the center. So there are two lines of symmetry in case of rectangle. Now if we discuss the rhombus. Rhombus क्या होता है? एक tilted form होती है किसकी? स्क्वायर की. इसकी क्या प्रॉपर्टी होती है? All sides are equal like the square. Its diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So it has two lines of symmetry. So rhombus की भी two lines of symmetry होती हैं. Rectangle की भी two है और rhombus की भी two lines of symmetry होती है. Now what about the square? In case of square we have four lines of symmetry. Four कैसे? One is obviously the vertical line, one is horizontal line, and if we join the diagonals, these are also two lines. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the four lines that we have drawn. So it has four lines of symmetry. Now if we talk about some regular shapes, regular जिसकी सभी sides equal होती हैं. So right, this is regular pentagon. So regular pentagon की है 5 sides, so 5 line of symmetry. Hexagon के केस में there will be 6 line of symmetry. So pentagon के केस में 4 lines of symmetry, hexagon के केस में 6 line of symmetry. Then you have next shape is kite. ये आपकी kite है. In case of kite there is only one line of symmetry. एक ही होती है ये. ऐसे अगर आप लगाओगे तो in that case both upper and lower part are not same. So this is not the line of symmetry for the kite. So only one line of symmetry is there. Then arrow. Arrow के केस में भी only one line of symmetry. As you can see this one. Fine. So किसी भी तरह का arrow है, in that case only one line of symmetry is there. अब semi circle के केस में भी there is only one line of symmetry. Circle के केस में all diameters are dividing the circle into two equal parts. So there can be infinite. So ये बहुत important है. In case of circle, infinite lines of symmetry. As you can see, this is also the diameter, this one is also the diameter, this is also the diameter. All the diameters are dividing a circle into two equal parts. That's why it is having infinite number of lines of symmetry. Fine. Next, in this next we have letters. अब हमारे पास English alphabet के जो letters हैं उसमें भी symmetry होती है. Now in this we have three kinds of line of symmetry. vertical, horizontal और both. ठीक है, 3 केसेस हम इसमें लेते हैं, वर्टिकल लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री, हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड बोथ. कुछ लेटर्स में हॉरिजॉन्टल होती है लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री, लाइक यू कैन सी बी, सी, डी, ई. These are showing your horizontal line of symmetry, while in case of M, A, M, then you have T. इन केस, इसके केस में V, U, इन सब में वर्टिकल लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री होती है. एंड कुछ ऐसे लेटर्स हैं जो वर्टिकल और हॉरिजॉन्टल दोनों तरह की लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री होती है, जिसमें जैसे H है. H को अगर हम वर्टिकल लाइन बीच में लगाते हैं तो भी ये सिमेट्रिकल है, अगर हम हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन लगाते हैं तो भी ये सिमेट्रिकल है. सेम विद I, सेम विद X. X भी हॉरिजॉन्टल और वर्टिकल दोनों तरीके से सिमेट्रिकल है. सो अगर हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन डिवाइड करती है किसी लेटर को टू इक्वल पार्ट्स में तो सेम काइंड ऑफ वर्टिकल, हॉरिजॉन्टल है तो हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री, वर्टिकल लाइन डिवाइड करती है तो वर्टिकल लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. फाइन. सो यू कैन जस्ट put the line in the center and then you can recognize it. Let's see the exercise also. Draw the line of symmetry if any of the following shape and count them. So in this you can draw a line from the center. Fine. So there is only one line of symmetry. This is a scalene triangle, so zero line of symmetry. In this shape there is a, you are going to draw it from the center. Fine. So there is only one line of symmetry in the third shape. Then in fourth one also you can draw a line from the center. So there is only one line of symmetry. In this there is no line of symmetry because there is no line that is going to divide it into two equal parts. Fine. So if I make it, so यहाँ पर ये है, यहाँ पर ये है, अलग अलग हो गया. Fine. So this in so because of this, if it would have been like this, simple 3 lines, then there will be, the line of symmetry will be 3. But because of presence of this, we cannot divide it into 2 equal parts. Like this part is present here, not at this place. Find this small line. So that's why it has 0 line of symmetry. Right? Now in this there is only one line of symmetry from the center. In this also there is only one line of symmetry. One. In these kind of shapes there are 3 lines of symmetry, like you can draw a line like this, one, the other one from here and third one from here. So there are 3 lines of symmetry in these kind of shapes. Fine. Now the second question, draw the line or lines of symmetry if any of the following pictures. So in the first one there is only one line of symmetry. In second one also there is only one line of symmetry. In this kind of shape we have square की कितनी होती थी? 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You have to draw it from the center. So there are 4 lines of symmetry here. अब ये किसी shape है? Pentagon है. So pentagon की कितनी होती हैं? 5. So you can draw the different from here, like first is this, then another one, second, third, fourth and fifth from the center of each one. Fine. Then here in case of this fly we have only one line of symmetry. In this shape we have only one line of symmetry. Fine. Okay, now draw the line of symmetry if any for the following. So in shapes के लिए you have to draw the line of symmetry. So let's do it also. So there is only one line of symmetry here, one line of symmetry here, one line of symmetry here, all are same, and there is only one line of symmetry for this also. So there is only one line of symmetry in all of them. Now these are the shapes they have given. So horizontal symmetry 0, this is for one line of symmetry 0, here also 0, and in case of 8 they are also symmetrical, and so there are 2 lines of symmetry for them. Now we will see question number 6. Write the letters of words just look which have no line of symmetry. So as you can see, J, we cannot divide it into two equal parts. Then you have S, then you have what others, L and K. Fine. So these are the four letters which have zero line of symmetry here in this case. Fine. They cannot be divided into two equal parts by any way. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Then exactly two lines of symmetry. No. Then exactly three. Yes. It is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Then no line of symmetry. Yes. Scalene triangle. Scalene triangle की no line of symmetry है. So sketch a rough figure. This is homework for you. I have written the names of the triangles that you can draw. So you can draw them by yourself. Fine. Next is your reflection and symmetry. अब reflection and symmetry के लिए I'll put an activity. So stay tuned. Thank you. Thanks for watching.